welcome back to DIY with Pragya. First of all, I'm so sorry I haven't been uploading new videos from past 2 weeks, but thank you so much for being so patient with me. I have got a lot of DMs on my Instagram that if I'm doing well and why am I not uploading new videos. So I have been caught up with a lot of work lately and I was not getting time to edit this video. I have shot this video but was not getting time to edit this video. But finally I got some time and some courage to do it, and finally I'm uploading this video today. So in today's video we are going to do thrift flip. If you are not aware what thrift flip is, so let me quickly tell you what it is. So thrift flip is a concept where you buy second-hand items and revamp it according to your liking. So I recently went to a thrift store and let me tell you guys, I love thrifting. It's eco-friendly also, sustainable also, and you always find something very unique and new which you will not get in a branded store. Today we are going to do the same. I hope you guys will enjoy this video, and without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So I found this frame sort of thing from the thrift store. It was actually a mirror, but the mirror was broken, so I got it in a better deal. It was around 50 bucks. And along with this, I found this wooden bead garland which I picked up because we can literally make so many things out of it. After this, I brainstormed that how can I make use of it and turn it into a beautiful decor piece for my home. So I thought of actually turn this into a wall art. First, I am going to remove this cardboard piece and trace out the inner circle, which we will turn it into a wall art. I didn't have a screwdriver, so yeah, I am using a knife to remove the screws. After this, I am using some acrylic paints to make an art on the circular piece. I'm going for a boho vibe art decor. If you follow me on Instagram and have seen my previous videos, you must have an idea that how much I love boho home decor. So after finishing the art, although I think I've ruined it a bit while making these black sort of branches, I'm not sure what to call them, but yeah, I think you guys understood what I'm talking about. Now, as I am finished to give my artistic touch to it, I'm going to attach this circular piece to our frame with some hot glue gun. Next, to hang this wall art frame, I am thinking of attaching our wooden bead garland to it. I think it looks so classy and giving it some dimension. I'm using a hot glue gun to attach the beads like so. And we are done. I really like this wall art. It looks so minimal yet giving some boho vibes to my room and also adds some dimension to my wall. This has to be my favorite from this video. Now coming to the second project, I am going to make a tassel curtain holder. For this, we are going to need some yarn. First, I am going to make a tassel out of it. It's pretty simple. All you have to do is get a cardboard and cut it in your desired size that you want your tassel to be. Now I am going to wrap around the yarn on it numerous times as I want to make it a bit fluffy. After wrapping around, now I'm going to slip a yarn through it to secure it like so. I'm going to cut the edge very carefully. Now I'm going to tie a knot on the head and we are done with the tassel. I have already made another tassel. Now comes the part where I will attach the whole piece together. With a thread and needle, I am going to add the wooden beads with the tassel like so. And we are done. This project was literally so easy and quick. I can even style this on my door or on my wardrobe handle. I think it looks so cute. Alright guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video while I'm thrift flipping some of the items for my home. And I hope you will be inspired to do the same. Go to your local thrift store and find some of the items and be as creative as you can with those items, because the ideas are limitless. You can make so many things out of these. So yeah. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I post such videos. I try to post such videos every single week. And yeah, until next video, bye bye.